The bell tower on 34th has many built-in amenities. This quick overview will demonstrate manager-only and behind-the-scenes tools and equipment which might be added to events for a small fractional fee if requested in advance based on availability. Get ready to be amazed. You had no idea. First, the control room. Distributed sound, distributed video. See and hear any zone or any combination of zones. 88 security cameras, strategically placed. Easy to use iPad-controlled environment. Wireless microphone antenna reception for the entire campus. On-the-fly microphone distribution to any zone or combination of zones. Manual blackout shades. Electrical blackout shades. iPad controls in each ballroom. Control track light intensity. Chandelier brightness. Adjust column lighting. Choose any color. Built-in dance floor lighting in 2 ballrooms. Moving heads. Built-in projection system with audio and video distribution throughout. Convenient facility-wide access to air, music, sound, and lights from any space. Audio metering. Assign any video source for any zone combination on the fly from any room. Audio-visual in-out every 50 feet with RCA input, XLR microphone input, XLR output to your recording device or additional powered speakers. Easy-to-use interface for fast video switching to any display. Up to 10 mobile 55-inch television screens. Projector controls for each ballroom. Just choose a source. Convenient picture mute, unmute. Easily control the projector volume in each room. Manage microphone zones in real time. Activate handheld or lapel mics to any ballroom combination you want. Visually see where the audio is playing. Access thermostat controls for 16 air units on any iPad. Assign different background music to any room combination as needed. Equipment inventory dashboard updated weekly. Radio communication at all staffing levels in each department. Auxiliary equipment such as podiums. For your convenience, we also have movable sectional staging available on-site. Manual follow spots. Easels. Crowd management systems. Scissor lift. Many assorted tables sizes. Outdoor heaters. Supplemental outdoor lighting on wheels. Supplemental and handsome mobile bars. An on-site player piano. Thank you for watching this quick overview of manager-only and behind-the-scenes tools and equipment, which might be added to events for a small fractional fee if requested in advance based on availability.